beauty about material science is that just about anything is possible. And what's interesting is a lot of the problems which actually come to you from companies who might sort of say, I've got a problem with this kind of product, or we have a waste stream like this. And sometimes it's something you've never ever thought about. And sometimes just your experience with working with different kinds of materials is very useful to think illogically with a company's current experience. Rather than trying to design an ultimate product, what we tend to do is look at what kinds of problems industry has. So some of the problems we've had, we worked with a very local company who make boil eggs on a large volume. And what we decided to do was to take egg waste in terms of egg shell and see what we could use that for. And we used that as a filler for plastics. And then we said, well, what else could we use as a filler? And we looked at things like waste banana peel, for example. So what we have here is, again, about 30% banana peel as a filler. What we have here is waste orange peel. So we've looked at those natural materials. Then we've looked at large-scale materials which are produced as a byproduct from industrial processes. So, for example, you might have a lot of heavy metal waste that comes from processing metals, and we've looked at recycling that waste to ensure that as much of that is recycled. For many businesses, that step to say, I'm going to talk to a university might be quite a foreign idea to them. What we're trying to do is say it's a very simple process. Often what we can do is we can bring a different thought pattern to your way of processing ideas. And it's often very simple, it's very quick, and what you'll find is that universities are very definitely open for business.